Hello, this is Gene Bermudez with the Gene Bermudez Farmers Insurance Agency. Just wanted to take a few minutes today to talk about the benefits of life insurance, a lot of things that people don't consider, and have a few things that I wanted to touch base with you on. The first thing is obviously to pay off debt. From home loans to college loans, debt weighs on many people. Your beneficiaries can use a life insurance benefits to pay off your outstanding debts, ensuring that your family and loved ones don't inherit this burden. That's the primary purpose of life insurance, and when people buy it, that's usually what they're coming for. Income replacement. In a dual income household, it can be difficult to transition to just one salary. Life insurance can serve as an income replacement so your spouse and kids don't struggle to make ends meet. It can cover everyday expenses and or larger costs such as mortgage payments, children's college education, and even if you're a stay-at-home parent, benefits can cover the cost of daycare or nanny because you may need to get out in the workforce now to bring income into the household. Another one to consider is paying federal estate taxes. If the net value of your estate is more than the exempt amount set by Congress at the time of your death, your estate will owe federal estate taxes, and life insurance can help you pay for that. Also, paying for final expenses. Final expenses can be costly. Funerals are very costly these days. Life insurance can help with a range of funeral and burial costs, as well as outstanding medical bills that resulted from an illness or something right before. Or you could establish a legacy by helping your children or grandchildren. A life insurance policy could help support a financial foundation for a child or a grandchild. Unlike money accumulated in some financial products, like a 529 college savings plan, your child or grandchild doesn't have to use the cash value of a life policy for educational expenses only, like they would with a 529 plan. In fact, they can use it to help support expenses such as starting up a business, making a down payment on a house, paying for a wedding, whatever it may be. So think about using it to establish a legacy with either your children or your grandchildren. Then the last one I wanted to talk about was leaving an inheritance or making a donation. Life insurance policy with a named heir as the beneficiary ensures that he or she will receive an inheritance when you die. So if your heirs don't need this money, you can donate the life insurance benefit to a charity of your choice. You can do this by naming a charity as your beneficiary, which means that you'll maintain ownership of your policy, including access to the cash value while you're alive. This option, however, means that you won't be able to get an income tax deduction for your donation. But if you want to receive a charitable tax deduction, you can transfer your policy to the charity and earn it that way. Again, I just wanted to touch on a few benefits of life insurance. Just to recap, paying off debt, paying off home loans, mortgages, college expenses, whatever it may be. Income replacement is the next one. Going from one dual income to a single income is tough, and that's one of the primary things that you want to look at when determining how much life insurance you need. Paying off federal estate taxes. If the net value of your estate is more than the exempt amount set by Congress at the time of your death, your estate will owe federal taxes, so this can help offset that. Establishing a legacy for your children and grandchildren. Building some cash value that they're able to use for any use that they'd like. Unlike other financial vehicles like the 529 college savings plan, where it has to be used, exclusively for educational purposes, the cash value can be used for any purpose. And then lastly, leaving an inheritance or making a donation. If you want to leave your death benefit to a charity of your choice, you're welcome to do so. And that's a nice way to contribute to something that you strongly support and believe in. So with that, again, just wanted to touch base quickly with you. Please give us a call at the Gene Bermudez Insurance Agency. The number here is 505-268-7777. Have a great evening. Thanks.